federal government of Nigeria has put up a factory in Ikotabasi, Aluminium Smelting Company of Nigeria. Unfortunately, last 20 years that company has not worked fully. There were a lot of challenges and management issues. But the idea was to produce 200,000 tons of aluminium in the country and then set up the industries downstream to use those products and create a chain of industries in this country. But unfortunately, because the aluminium smelting company did not function all these years, the growth which was expected has not taken place. Nevertheless, still companies like Tower Aluminium, who were engaged in this country for last 50 years, they went ahead and they put up a integrated aluminium plants. Still a very big future. If aluminium smelting plant commissioned and produced, we can supply to whole of West Africa all the aluminium requirement of these countries, because except Ghana, nowhere there is an aluminium smelting company, and even in the Ghana aluminium smelting company is not working. So Nigeria has a big opportunity to expand and market their products in the whole of ECOWAS.
So basically, how have the fiscal policies of the government affected your industry?
And Nigeria has signed a treaty with all ECOWAS countries that we will have a common external tariff which is called CET for import of goods in these countries, and that happened in 2008. And Nigeria was put at very disadvantaged position. We in the Manufacturers Association of Nigeria, we are opposed to this implementation of CET in this present form, because in ECOWAS 60% of the economy is based in Nigeria, and industries are there in Nigeria, not in other countries as in Nigeria. Take aluminium, take steel, all industries. So CET has put up lots of problem for aluminium and steel industries. In CET, what happens? A duty is uniform in all the ECOWAS countries, and to some extent we have encouraged smuggling through borders, because many goods were coming in the ECOWAS countries and they were coming to Nigeria duty-free. So I think there is a need to review the CET. CET was to be renewed by 1st of January 2013, but the government has extended the existing CET up to end of 2013, and now efforts are being made to renew it in 2014. We have submitted our memorandum to the ministry, to the Manufacturers Association, because what has happened, aluminium ingots we are importing, which is a raw material for a rolling industry. The duty on aluminium ingots is 5%. We are producing aluminium coils. Duty for importation of same is also 5%. So you can imagine how the local industry can survive. Similarly, on aluminium extrusion, duty is 5%. Aluminium billets, which is the raw material for production of aluminium extrusion, is also 5%. So aluminium industry has put a lot of disadvantaged situation, and because of that, out of 4 rolling mills, Tower Aluminium rolling mill, only rolling mill is running. All others, either they have closed down fully or they are partially running because they could not survive. So there is a need for government to review the duty on aluminium extrusion and also on the aluminium coils. Without that, this industry will die. And we have taken up this matter with the MAN and the government, and we are hopeful that our prayer will be heard.
That was J.C.Dugad, Group Manager.